If you want to give your family memorable moments as a gift, then Benibela digital picture frame is the best gift. But before we are going to ahead, please subscribe our channel and hit bell notification for more product review videos. In the box you will get a beautiful frame. After removing the sticker on the back of the box and scanning the QR code, you can preload photos and videos before gifting. The 8-inch digital photo frame is designed with 32 GB built-in memory, which can import over 30,000 photos and videos at one time. You can render clear and vivid pictures with your fingertips. The clear screen comes with amazing image quality. Its simple design comes with touch function. The Benibela digital picture frame comes with a free app, vPhoto, for photo sharing. You can capture every wonderful moment and share privately and securely with your family. The Photo app does not collect any personal information when in use. The smart digital picture frame adopts a wall mount design. You can choose to place it on the table or hang it on the wall. The gravity sensing auto rotation feature allows photos to adjust directions in portrait or landscape orientation as you like. You can also invite your family to connect to your photo and video sharing frame, creating a private family sharing network. The digital photo frame combines two filters, the memory filter and the museum filter, where you can save your memories and share with your family network. Like as your childbirth and growth, your wedding moments, your career highlights, your graduation and childhood moments, etc. You can merge these multiple beautiful moments into your picture frame and never let your love miss any wonderful moments. Benibela quotes that to love and to be loved. So, this was today's review of Benibela digital picture frame. Hope you like it. Product purchase link is mentioned in the description. Before leaving, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell notification icon for more product review videos.